At the Australian Research Centre for Interactive and Virtual Environments, one of our key research areas is sensor systems. We've been heavily dependent on sensors that are electrical, have wires connected to them. So we have a strong focus on making measurements where there is no wire. For example, we can measure a heart rate using a camera, and we can make that measurement from across the room or from across a football field. That's quite different than implanting a sensor on a person and then having to try to measure it from them. We've been doing a lot in the healthcare area. So during COVID, we built a camera system that works in real time. It's a kiosk that's sold in America in certain high-risk settings, and it measured vital signs. We've been looking at neonatal infants and whether they might be suffering from jaundice, which we can measure, essentially measuring yellowness, but it's not quite that simple. But we can detect to the extent to which they might be suffering jaundice very quickly, in fact. We've also done some work in ecology, measuring animals' vital signs using slightly different methods, but again from long distances with cameras. The vital signs work. Over time, that's going to change everything. We've seen a global health crisis where speed was important, and augmented reality combined with this remote sensing of vital signs seems to be one of the highest impact areas. There's a lot of opportunities for this type of technology. Health, agriculture, defence, space, the full gamut. We don't have a special piece of technology that sits in the middle of everything that we do. What we have is expertise and a broad way of thinking about a problem, and the problems keep presenting and they'll probably never run out and we'll keep on solving them as they come up.